Just got your brand new Halifax card. Let's skip the frustration and get it activated in a flash so you can start spending. First things first, locate your new Halifax card and your online banking login details. You'll need both to complete the activation process. Now, head over to the Halifax Online Banking website using your computer or mobile device. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Make sure you're on the official Halifax website to keep your information secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Card Services or Activate Card section. This might be located under My Accounts or Services menu. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the version of the website. You'll be prompted to enter some information from your new card. This usually includes the long card number, the expiry date, and the CVV code, which is the 3-digit number on the back of your card. Halifax will then likely send you a one-time passcode, also known as an OTP, to your registered mobile phone number or email address. Enter this code on the website to verify your identity and confirm the activation request. Once you've entered the OTP, you should see a confirmation message on the screen confirming that your Halifax card is now active and ready to use. And that's it. Your Halifax card is now activated and ready for use at ATMs, in stores, and online. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful banking tips.